Why is auto insurance so expensive in Michigan? Well, really it boils down to one reason, and that's because we have the most comprehensive no-fault system in the country. I think in Michigan we pay around, on average, $2,200 for an insurance policy throughout the year, and that's right about $1,000 more, a little bit more than $1,000 more than the average in the country. And like I was saying, the reason for this is really because the no fault law. The no fault law gives you unlimited lifetime medical. It makes sure that after an accident that 85% of your lost wages are paid for the first 3 years. You can receive attendant care benefits, you can receive replacement service benefits, and you can get mileage to and from your doctor's visits. Really, it's like having a good insurance policy for medical. It is really good if you need it. If you don't, you end up paying way too much. And that's kind of the story that we have in Michigan. If you're seriously injured in an auto accident, it's helpful. If you're not, you're going to be paying way more than people do in other states. And there's been a lot of talk in Michigan about what are we going to do about this? How are we going to fix this problem? Insurance companies want to really cap these benefits that you have, but still be under the no-fault scheme. This is really not a great solution to the problem, and really the only other solution I believe that exists would be getting rid of no fault altogether. Insurance companies are trying to have their cake and eat it too by limiting their exposure and also by keeping no fault. But the real problem that we run into is even if you're in an accident, even if we didn't have no fault, it might not make sense for you. You may not get fully compensated because the minimum amount of insurance that has to be carried in Michigan is only $20,000, which sometimes wouldn't even cover your medical bills. So in the end analysis, we have what we have in Michigan. It's expensive, and it's because you get a lot if you are injured. But at the same time, if you don't use it, it really doesn't end up helping you. And so the debate will continue in Michigan about what to do with insurance cost.